the cold snap of early 2024, but my good friend Brent brought me a surprise. In this garage, it's 47 degrees. But what do we have? A propane heater. So we're gonna check. Let's see, the ambient temperature is 45. But this is 747 degrees. So that should be fine. The outside is 225 degrees. But aren't you like inside? You're gonna blow yourself up? Well, I got the garage cracked. That's pretty good, right? My wife's all like, you can't do that in the house. I need it to be at least 60 degrees in here before I paint. So once it's warmed up, then we'll turn it off. That dizzy feeling, what is that? Gotta sand this bumper down. So it's a new day, and we're in the freezing cold garage. So of course, we make a smart choice and put a propane heater in here with us. You've seen the fire on the GEEKANDSON logo? Well, there you go. There's the real thing. Believe me, I realize this is not the ideal thing to do. I want it to be at least 60 degrees in here before I start doing any kind of icing or painting. So right now I'll just clean. First, I've got some grease and wax remover. I'm just gonna spray on it. Pushing the areas I've sanded. So here we are, sitting over our campfire, warming up our bumper covers. It's fine, I'm sure. So wouldn't you know, there's always something. I can't get this thing to stay on. It's warmer in here, but it's still cold. So I'm gonna give this icy stuff a shot. Right here. It's right next to this little furnace. I think it's warm enough. I'm gonna find out real quick. One little dot of the hardener. Spread it around. Let's till the blue is no more. But as some of you probably know, I'm colorblind. Again, don't build your project out of filler, even this kind. Just perfect the surface. I'm gonna sand it with 320 grit. As soon as we get to that stage. Good news is this was where a huge dent was. It's gone. So I just did that a little more. I'm gonna fill with this spot right here. So I'm sitting here next to this propane bomb in freezing cold temperatures, which is fine. Honestly, I'm overdoing it a little bit. It's a little irrelevant, but why not? Maybe nobody will ever go over a bump and scratch this thing. Speed bumps are your enemy when you have a car that's this kind of low. My friend who gave it to me, Brent, he said it's the thermocoupler. Well, of course it's the thermocoupler.
Initiating decoupling sequence.
Yeah, I don't know what a thermocoupler is. I'm guessing it has something to do with the thermal and the coupling of thermals. Okay, I'm teasing. I kind of know what it is. But... All right, so give that some time to cure, and then we'll sand it down to 320. Sand the whole panels down to 320. Clean them. Prep them, spray with some primer, and then paint, and then yippee, clear. And hopefully they'll work. It's a lot of work, I gotta say. And I'll paint that when I get to that point. I'm gonna try and get these dents out with the PDR solutions. We'll film a lot of that I've been learning. And if not, we'll get them best we can and mud and the rest of regular stuff. Thanks for watching. Bye.